It passed less than 2 weeks ago, and we're already seeing the effects of a new law that reduces jail time for nonviolent criminals.
10 News reporter Matt Mendez has some eye-opening numbers and the new attitude of criminals on the streets.
Guillermo Ceniceros may be one of the first cases where he was released because of Proposition 47, then rearrested for trying to kidnap a 13-year-old girl in Santa Clarita. Some call it the get-out-of-jail-free card. 2 weeks ago, voters passed Prop 47, which reduces the sentencing for nonviolent criminals for things like drugs and thefts. San Diego County District Attorney's Office says already at least 168 people had their crimes reduced from felony to misdemeanor. 100 of those pled guilty, many avoiding the slammer.
I've had several calls where clients have called in and said, if it's a misdemeanor, I get the job. If it's a felony, and unfortunately, they still have to file an application. The court has to rule on it before it becomes a misdemeanor.
San Diego County Public Defender Troy Britt has already filed 5,200 petitions. Those felons will have a hearing to decide their fate. Some cases date back to the 1990s. In all, Britt expects 180,000 people will try to fit into this new Prop 47 category. A source told 10 News a shoplifter who stole more than $160 in merchandise from a San Diego store on November 7th told the officer, quote, "Proposition 47 passed a few days ago. I'll take my citation and be on my way." The ACLU says, quote, Prop 47 means that people can be held accountable without having to struggle with the lifelong barriers that come with a felony conviction, including barriers to employment, housing, and even education. The San Diego Police Department says the passage of Prop 47 doesn't change their commitment to protect and keep the community safe. Matt Mendez, 10 News.
Wow, astounding numbers. And Prop 47 will set aside state funds for mental health, substance abuse treatment, and victim services.